channel Better Tomorrow. So our topic is the reproductive organ of a plant. So we all know a flower is the reproductive part of a plant. So जो फ्लावर है उसे हम कहते हैं reproductive part of a plant. तो न्यू स्पीशीज जो भी जनरेट होगी वो किस में से होगी? फ्रॉम अ फ्लावर. And the flower is consist of sepals, petals, stamen and pistil. Flower में क्या क्या होता है? Sepals होते हैं, petals होते हैं, stamen होता है and pistil होती है. Right? So sepals तो आप जानते हैं greenish color part. Petals are the colorful part. Okay? So stamen. What do you mean by stamen? So stamen is a male reproductive part. Stamen is a male reproductive part of a flower. जो male reproductive part होगा उसे कहा जाएगा stamen and it is consist of a filament and anther. Filament जो long stalk like stick होती है उसे हम कहेंगे filament and the upper part is known as stamen which consists of pollen grains. Stamen is divided into filament and anther and the anther is consist of pollen grains. So what do you mean by pollen grains? Pollen grains are the gametes. Which gametes? Male gametes. Male gametes are known as pollen grains. Now what is pistil? So pistil is the female reproductive part of a flower. Pistil को हम कहेंगे female reproductive part which consists of three parts or stigma, style and ovary. So pistil consists of stigma, style and ovary. Further, the ovary consists of ओव्यूल्स. ओवरी के अंदर क्या होगा? ओव्यूल्स होंगे. ओव्यूल्स, what are ovules? They are the gametes. But which gametes? Female reproductive gametes are known as ovules. Right? So now हम dissection करेंगे of a hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower is also known as China rose. अब सभी ने देखा होगा hibiscus flower. Right? So this is known as hibiscus flower and we are going to dissect it with the help of a needle. With the help of a needle and forceps. Okay, so this hibiscus flower consists of sepals, petals, stamen and pistil. Fine. So let us dissect it. First of all, take out the sepals. So this, let us take out petals. This is known as pedicel. This is known as pedicel and this pedicel attaches the flower with the leaf or the branch. Okay, so now let's check out petals of the flower. So these are the petals, right? As you can see, these are the petals. These are known as pollen grains. Do you see the yellowish color? These are known as pollen grains, right? So take out all the petals of the flower. These are the colory part, which differs from flower to flower. Okay. These all are the petals of the flower, right? Take out carefully. Okay. So what do you see now? Do you see this yellowish color part? This yellowish color? These are pollen grains, right? So what consists of pollen grains? What consists of pollen grains? Anther consists of pollen grains, and anther is the part of stamen. So this part is known as stamen, right? This part is known as stamen. So this is stamen, this is filament, and the upper part is known as anther, which consists of pollen grains. Look, these are the powdery substance. Do you see? These are the powdery substance. Look. Look here. So these are the pollen grains, which are the male gametes. Okay. Now let us dissect this pistil part. So put a gentle cut inside it. Yeah, see here. This is also stamen, right? Do you see this stamen? Let us check it out. A stamen part. Put a gentle cut inside it. You will see the pistil. Okay. A very thin structure known as pistil. Do you see? Do you see this? A thin structure. A thin structure known as pistil, right? So now what is this? These are the small buds from which the whole flower is grown. Yeah? Take out this. What do you see now? This is the ovary, right? What is this? This is the ovary. Now, what is this? The ovary. The ovary is covered by the part of the stamen. Okay. From here onwards, this pistil starts. Now, if we dissect the ovary, what will we get? We know the ovary contains what? Ovules, the female reproductive gametes. So carefully dissect the ovule. This ovule. Look. Do you see the greens here? The small greens, tiny greens here. Do you see? What are these? These are ovules. Let's dissect another one. Look. Do you see? Look. Do you see these greens? What are these? These are the ovules. These are the ovules, which are known as the female gametes. What are the gametes? Gametes means eggs, right? See? Ovules. Now, if we dissect the ovary, what will we get? We know the ovary contains what? Ovules, the female reproductive gametes. So carefully dissect the ovule. This ovule. Look. Do you see? The greens here. The small greens, tiny greens here. Do you see? What are these? These are ovules. Let's dissect another one. Look. Do you see? Look. Do you see these greens? What are these? These are the ovules. These are the ovules, which are known as the female gametes. What are the gametes? Gametes means eggs, right? See? Ovules. So, thank you guys for watching the video. This is the dissection of the hibiscus. Okay, so guys, what have you seen in this video? So these are the sepals, these are the petals, this is the stamen part, right? And this is the pistil part. Now let's check out the ovary. What is this? This is the ovary and this is the pedicel. Do you see the different parts of the hibiscus? So this is the dissection of hibiscus flower, which contains sepals, petals, stamen, pistil. Stamen consists of two parts. That is a long filament called long stalk known as filament, and anther, which contains pollen grains, right? The pistil, female reproductive organ, stigma, style, and the ovary. Ovary contains of ovules. We have already seen ovules, right? Do you see these ovules? Look, these are the ovules. Okay, ovules are the female gametes, and this is the pedicel. This is the pedicel, which connects the flower with the leaf or stem. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.